Hello students, welcome to my Academy, the place for mathematics and science. Dear students, in today's class also we are going to continue the chapter triangles, and do remember this is 10th period of this chapter. In the 9th period we were solving the problems in exercise number 6.5, right? In that 2 were over. Now here I have written third one, even this was also given as homework. Hope that most of you have done it. Anyhow, you just go for cross-checking your proof with my writing. The statement is like this. In this figure, ABD is a right angle triangle and the right angle is A. And AC perpendicular to BD. With this information, we have to prove these three statements. Look here, we have first one, AB square equal to BC into BD. See, AB square equal to BC into BD. And this is AB and BC, these are the sides of the small triangle. BD is the side of the big triangle. Hence, we have to prove these two as similar. I go for taking the triangle. First, DAB in triangle DAB and another triangle which is ACB. Dear students, I have already told you how to take these triangles. See that? It is D, this is A, this is B. And see, I am showing the direction as well. Next, A, this is C and this is B. I have taken DAB and ACB. See, in these two triangles, here angle A is 90 degree and this is 90 degree, ACB. Angle DAB is 90 degree, ACB is also 90 degree. Here I'm right, each 90 degree. Then angle B is common for both the triangles. Look at B, here also B. Angle B equal to angle B. This is common angle. Here two pairs of angles are equal. Two pairs of corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, the two triangles are similar. By which one? By AA similarity. Triangle DAB is similar to triangle ACB. If these two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides will be in the same ratio. Alright, it is BA by AC, which is equal to AB by CB. AB by CB, which is equal to DB by A. DB by AB. Now you have to take two ratios in which common side is there. That is, look at AB, cross multiply. AB into AB, AB square, which is equal to cross multiply CB. CB can be written as BC into DB. DB can also be written as BD. Hence, the first one is proved. Hope that you have written the same. Next, let's move on to second one. Look here, AC square equal to BC into DC. AC square equal to BC into DC. So, these are the sides of these two triangles, 1 and 2. Are these two similar? Yes. How? We know that the perpendicular, if a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of right angle triangle to the hypotenuse, then it divides it into two similar triangles. I'll write that. We know that if a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of right angle to the hypotenuse, then two similar triangles are formed. Then two similar triangles are formed. What are those? One is DCA and another one is ACB. Triangle DCA is similar to triangle ACB. Then when two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides will be in the same ratio. That is CSST. According to that, we can write DC by AC is equal to CA by CB is equal to DA by AB. Ratios in which common side is there. See that CA is nothing but AC. Are there? Let's go for cross multiply. DC into CB equal to AC into CA. What is AC into AC? AC square, which is equal to CB is nothing but BC. Then this is DC as it is. Hence second one is also proved. Check with your writing. Next, third one. Go to this. AD square equal to BD into CD. AD square. See that this is the side of second triangle. AD square equal to BD into CD. BD into CD. See that? So we have to take second triangle and the whole triangle. So in triangle, whole triangle is DAB. DAB and triangle DCA. DCA. In these two triangles, angle DAB is 90 degree and DCB is also 90 degree. You are right. Each 90 degree. Then which is the common angle? Angle D is common. Alright. Angle D is equal to angle D. Common angle. Followed. Next. By AA similarity, we can write triangle DAB similar to triangle DCA. When two triangles are similar, by CSST, we can write DA by DC equal to AB by CA equal to DB by DA. Now, which two ratios should be taken? First and last. See the DA and DA. DA into DA is equal to DC into DB. DA into DA, it is nothing but AD square. Then DC into DB. So, alright, DB as BD and DC as CD. Hence, the third statement is also proved. Again, you go for cross-checking third one as well. So, if everything is right, then I'll move on to next one. If not, first you go for copying from here to here. Please go through this. Fourth one, it is ABC is an isosceles triangle, right angled at C. Prove that AB square equal to 2AC square. Very simple statement. Dear students, pausing the video, copy this statement. Afterwards, you may start writing with me. Here, let's go for drawing an isosceles right angled triangle. Here I am drawing one. Look here. This is an isosceles right angled triangle in which two sides are equal and one angle is 90 degree. And right angle is at C. Then I call it as A, this as B. See that ABC is an isosceles triangle right angled at C. Prove that AB square equal to 2 times AC square. Is it not simple? So simple. Because as it is right angle triangle, you can go for using Pythagoras theorem. AB square equal to AC square plus BC square, where BC is nothing but AC. So AC square plus AC square, 2AC square. Yes, start writing with me. First data, in triangle ABC, angle C is 90 degree, then AC equal to BC. Next, to prove, we are going to prove that AB square equal to 2AC square. Written up? Okay, write the proof with me. Here, again, in triangle ABC, angle C is 90 degree. As one angle is 90 degree, it is a right angle triangle. We can go for using Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, we can write AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. It is equal to AC square. What is BC? BC is nothing but AC. So AC square, because AC equal to BC. Next, what is AC? And AC square plus 1 AC square, it is 2 AC square. AB square equal to 2 AC square. Hence it is proved. Got it? Such a simple proof it has. Dear students, could you tell me in another way, how can it be asked? AB square equal to even 2 BC square. Then under such condition, in place of AC, you should substitute BC. Yes, copy this. Dear students, go through this fifth one. Simple statement. ABC is an isosceles triangle with AC equal to BC. If AB square equal to 2AC square, then prove that ABC is a right triangle. Then you just compare this with the previous problem, previous statement. What do you say? Very good. It is the converse of fourth statement. They had given right angle, isosceles right angle triangle, and in that they had asked you to prove this statement, AB square equal to 2AC square. Now they have given this is, and we have to prove it is right triangle. Okay. Again, pausing the video, you should copy this statement. Afterwards, you may start drawing with me. They have given ABC is an isosceles triangle with AC equal to BC. I'll draw that. Please go on drawing with me. This is an isosceles triangle. How? Because two sides are equal. Which two sides are equal? AC and BC. Then obviously C is the common vertex. Then this is A, this is B. Got it? That's right. Data. They have given the triangle ABC in which AC equal to BC. Then not only that, even they have given AB square equal to 2AC square. With this information, we are going to prove that what? ABC is a right triangle. Right triangle means an angle of triangle should be 90 degree. Followed? Okay. Now we have to prove angle C is 90 degree. Let's go for proving. Please write with me. In triangle ABC, it has been given that AB square equal to 2 times AC square, right? This has been written from data. 2 AC square can be written as 1 AC square plus 1 AC square. What is AC? AC is nothing but BC. Here I will substitute AC square as it is. In place of AC, I will write BC square. So now AB square equal to AC square plus BC square. That means the square of one side is equal to the sum of squares of other two sides. Then according to converse of Pythagoras theorem, we can say that the angle opposite to first side is equal to 90 degree. Understood? Here I will write by the converse of Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. How to write? Angle C equal to 90 degree, or else I will write angle C is opposite to AB. Therefore, angle C equal to 90 degree. If one angle of a triangle is 90 degree, then it is a right triangle. Therefore, ABC is a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. Hence, the given statement is proved. Yes. Please go for copying this. Dear students, go through the sixth one. This is also simple statement. ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 2A. Find each of its altitudes. Nothing but heights. Just pausing the video, write the statement and draw the figure with me. We have to draw an equilateral triangle. You know that what is an equilateral triangle? It is a triangle in which all sides are equal. Is called an equilateral triangle. So name this as ABC as they are given. All sides are equal. Therefore, AB equal to BC equal to AC. This much has been given. Then each of its altitudes should be found out, and before that I'll write the measurement of each side. It is 2A, 2A and 2A. Write the data with me. It is ABC is an equilateral triangle. Next. Therefore, AB is equal to BC equal to CA and the measurement is given 2A. Then to prove, what we are going to prove? We have to find out the length of each altitude. Hence, we shall go for drawing the altitude. We know that in an equilateral triangle, all the altitudes are equal. Alright. Here, AD is perpendicular to BC. And here, alright, we know that in an equilateral triangle, all altitudes are of same length. So if you go for finding one also, it's enough. Okay, let's go for calculation. We all know that the perpendicular drawn in an equilateral triangle bisects the base. Hence, BD equal to CD. Here I'll write. We know that the perpendicular, please go on writing with me, the perpendicular drawn in an equilateral triangle bisects the base. Therefore, you can write BD equal to CD. BD equal to CD is equal to half of BC. But what is BC? BC is 2A. Then 2 and 2 get cancelled, just A. BD is A and CD is A. But what we are going to find out? We will find out the measurement of AD. How do you go for finding? Look here. Here AD is perpendicular to BC. Therefore, a right angle is formed. As it is right angle, therefore this triangle becomes right angled triangle. If it is right angled triangle, we can go for using Pythagoras theorem. You may take either the triangle ADB or else ADC. Anyone can be taken. Let's start writing it. I take the triangle ADB. In triangle ADB, angle ADB equal to 90 degree. Then, by Pythagoras theorem, we can write the square of hypotenuse, that is AB square, is equal to sum of squares of other two sides, AD square plus BD square. AD square plus BD square. What is AB? AB is 2A. So 2A whole square. AD is height, which is going to be found out. Write this as it is. Then BD is how much? It is A. So A square. Then as we want AD square, keep that as it is. 2A whole square, it is 4A square. Transfer A square to the left hand side, minus A square equal to AD square. 4a square minus 1a square, 3a square equal to AD square. Then here I am continuing. AD equal to square root of 3 into a square. Then root 3 into a. Followed? Yes. Right. Yes. Hope that you have written. Write the conclusion. Each altitude is root 3 into a. Now let's move on to 7th. Yes. Please go through this. 7th one. Prove that the sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus is equal to the sum of the squares of its diagonals. Is it not simple? Certainly. Even it is also important one. Put star mark and copy the question. Then after that we can start writing it. So here first, which geometrical figure should be drawn? It is rhombus. Okay, let's go for drawing rhombus. It can be drawn in two different ways. Then yes, draw like this. And join the end points. And you can go for naming the rhombus as ABCD, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Right? A, B, C, D. We know that in a rhombus, the diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Call this point of intersection as O. And even all the sides will be equal and the diagonals bisect each other. Therefore, AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. Then AO equal to CO, DO equal to BO. Next, look here. Here we are going to prove that the sum of the squares of the sides of rhombus, that means AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square, is equal to the sum of squares of its diagonals, that is AC square plus BD square. Followed? So how to prove that? I'll explain that. First you go for writing up to prove. Start writing with data. ABCD is a rhombus. Is a rhombus. Written up. Okay. Therefore, AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. Then what are the diagonals? AC and BD. Right. AC and BD are diagonals. Got it? Next, with this information, we are going to prove that what? The sum of the squares of the sides. What are the sides? AB, its square is AB square. Similarly, BC square, CD square, then DA square. This is equal to the sum of the squares of its diagonals. AC square plus BD square. AC square plus BD square. This is the statement to be proved. But how do you go for proving? It's very simple. Look here, AB square. Here with respect to side AB, we can come to know that we have a right triangle. Then we can write AB square equal to AO square plus BO square. Similarly, BC square as BO square plus CO square. Like that we can apply Pythagoras theorem for all the four triangles. Yes, try that. Yes, dear students, observe the proof. Here, first I'll write. We know that the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other. That property must be used. Here also, we know that the diagonals of a rhombus, bisect each other. Followed? If it is so, bisect each other at right angles. This is also important. At right angles. Then we can write AO and CO are equal. AO equal to CO, which is half of AC. Next, BO equal to DO. BO equal to DO, which is half of the diagonal BD. Next, now we shall go for taking the triangles one by one. First, AOB. If you are not written, you can start writing with me. In triangle AOB, we know that angle AOB is 90 degree because diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Angle AOB equal to 90 degree, then by Pythagoras theorem or Baudhayan's theorem. How do you go for writing? It is AB square equal to AO square plus BO square. AB square is equal to AO square plus BO square. You may call this as statement 1. Similarly, let me go for taking the next triangle, that is BOC. In triangle BOC, angle BOC is also 90 degree. Use Pythagoras theorem and write the square of hypotenuse BC square is equal to the sum of squares of other two sides, BO square plus CO square. Call this as statement 2. Next, take the third triangle. It is COD. In triangle COD, which angle is 90 degree? Angle COD is 90 degree. Use the Pythagoras theorem and write CD square is equal to CO square plus DO square. Call it as statement 3. Next, fourth triangle. It is AOD. In triangle AOD, angle AOD equal to 90 degree. Then AD square equal to AD square is equal to AO square plus DO square. Call it as statement 4. We want AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square. Hence, let us go for adding all the 4 statements. Adding statements 1, 2, 3 and 4. We can write AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square. Then go for adding RHS part. AO square plus BO square plus BO square plus CO square plus CO square plus DO square plus AO square plus DO square. Observe, by observing all RHS part, you can come to know that AO square is repeated by 2 times, BO square, CO square, even DO square as well. So I will continue that here. It is equal to here 2 times AO square plus 2 times BO square plus 2 times CO square plus 2 times DO square. Next, here on right, 2 is taken as common factor. AO square plus BO square plus CO square plus DO square. Observe, AO, it is half of AC. CO is half of AC. BO, half of BD. BO, half of BD. I'll go for writing that. It is 2 into, here I'll write, what is AO square? AO is half of AC, right? AC by 2 whole square. BO is half of BD. BD by 2. whole square plus CO half of AC by 2 whole square plus DO is half of BD by 2 whole square. This is equal to, now 2 times, look here, this is AC by 2 whole square can be written as AC square by 4 plus this is BD square by 4 plus AC square by 4 plus BD square by 4. This is equal to 2 into 4 is LCM. Now AC square plus BD square plus AC square plus BD square. Then 2 ones are 2 twos are 1 by 2 into AC square plus AC square 2 AC square. BD square plus BD square 2 BD square. Then this is equal to half into, here you can take out 2 as common factor. AC square plus BD square. 2 get cancelled. Understood? What is LHS part? AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square. RHS part? AC square plus BD square. Hence the statement is proved. Here I write AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square is equal to AC square plus BD square. Hence it is proved. Dear student, even this can also be proved in another simplest method. Let me show you that method also. Before that, you just copy up to here. Dear students, I told you, I teach you with another method. Look at up to here, it is same only. Here, method 2 from here. In triangle AOB, any of the 4 triangles can be taken. Either AOB, BOC, COD or triangle AOD. I have taken triangle AOB. In that angle AOB is 90 degree. By using Pythagoras theorem, you can write this statement. Write AB square as it is, which is equal to AO. What is AO? It is half of AC. Right? AC by 2 whole square. BO is half of BD. So BD by 2 whole square. And this has been written from the statements. I call this as A and this as B. From statements A and B. Understood? Okay. This is equal. Apply square to both numerator and denominator. It is AC square by 4 and this is BD square by 4. Take LCM. LCM is 4. Then it is AC square plus BD square. Here AB square is there. Now go for cross multiplying. What it will be? It is 4AB square is equal to AC square plus BD square. 4AB square, you can go for splitting that AB square 4 times. AB square plus AB square plus AB square plus AB square, which is equal to AC square plus BD square. Followed. Let me write AB square as it is. Plus, look here, AB is nothing but BC. BC square. AB is also CD. CD square. AB is also AD or DA. AD square, which is equal to AC square plus BD square. Is it not simple one? Yes. So, hence it is proved. Please go for copying this. Dear students, go through this 8th one. So, it may be lengthy statement but simple one. Observe this. In this figure, O is a point in the interior of a triangle ABC. So, ABC is a triangle, O is inside it. Then, OD perpendicular to BC. OE perpendicular to AC and OF perpendicular to AB. With this information, we have to prove that OA square, look at OA square, this is, let's go for join. OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square equal to AF. This is AF here. Then BD is here. Next CE square. This is. How do you go for proving? Very simple one. Look here. To get AO square, you have to use Pythagoras theorem. AO square equal to AF square plus OF square. Got it? OF square should be taken to the left hand side and send AF square to the right hand side. Similarly, you have to take these three triangles. See, these are the triangles. One is AFO and another one is BDO, because we want BD square. Next one, CE. That's why let's go for taking CEO. Dear students, copying the statement with drawing this geometrical figure, you can start writing with me. Yes, let me start from here. This is proof. Yes. First, I'll go for taking the triangle AFO. Right. In triangle AFO, angle AFO is 90 degree. Therefore, we can go for using Baudhayana's theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, we can write AO square equal to AF square plus OF square. AF square plus OF square. You may call this as statement 1. Next, let me take another triangle BDO. In triangle BDO, angle BDO is 90 degree. Then BO square or OB square, however you want, I'll take OB square and you can take this as OA square. Same only. OB square is equal to OD square plus BD square. OD square plus BD square. Call it as statement 2. Next, we want OC square. Let us take the triangle CEO. In triangle CEO, angle CEO is 90 degree. Again, by using Pythagoras theorem, we can write OC square is equal to OE square plus CE square. Call this as statement 3. Look here. We have OA square plus OB square plus OC square. They are all on the left hand side. Let's go for adding. Adding statements 1, 2 and 3. Write LHS part. OA square plus OB square plus OC square is equal to, here, OF square plus AF square plus OD square plus BD square. Next, third statement, OE square plus CE square. Is it not simple? Okay, we want minus OD minus OE minus OF square. Transfer all of these to the left hand side. Right. It is OA square plus OB square plus OC square. Transfer OF to the left hand side. It becomes minus OF square. Next, OD minus OD square. OE square to the left hand side minus OE square is equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. So hence the statement is proved. Look at AF BD C, AF BD C. Prove. You may call this statement as alpha, because we are going to prove another statement. Yes, copy up to here. I'm going to rub this one, or else, okay, I'll start from here for second one. Look here. For second one, we want AF square plus BD square plus CE square. This is equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. Look here, if you want AE square, you have to take this triangle, AEO. Similarly, CD square, see that? CDO should be taken. BF square, hence BFO. Those triangles should be taken. Here, start writing. In triangle, which is these unshaded triangles, AEO, this is first one, AEO. In this angle AEO is 90 degree. Again use Pythagoras theorem. How do you write? AE square, sorry, OA square equal to OE square plus AE square. Did you understand? Here I'll write. OA square is equal to OE square plus AE square. OE square plus AE square. Now, we want AE square plus CD square plus BF square. Let us solve AE square. AE square is equal to OE square as it is transfer minus OA square. Call it as statement fourth one. Next, second empty triangle, CDO. In triangle CDO, angle CDO equal to 90 degree. Use Pythagoras theorem. Then how do you write? OC square equal to OD square plus CD square. OC square is equal to OD square plus CD square. We want CD square. Hence, I'll solve CD square. CD square equal to OD square minus OC square. Call this as statement 5. Next, another empty triangle, BFO. In triangle BFO, angle BFO is 90 degree. By using Pythagoras theorem, OB square is equal to OF square, OB square equal to OF square plus BF square. OF square plus BF square. We want BF square. I'll solve that. BF square is equal to OB square minus OF square. Clear up? You may call this as statement 6. Observe, here we have the sum. Let us go for adding all of these, fourth one, fifth one and sixth one. Adding fourth statement, fifth statement and sixth statement. We can write LHS part. AE square plus CD square plus BF square is equal to RHS part. See that? It is OE square, OD square, OB square. OE square plus OD square. See that? AE square equal to OE square minus. Wait. See, I'm sorry. AE square is. It is OA square, transfer this OE square, becomes minus OE square. Similarly, here CD square is OC square minus OD square. Here BF square is OB square minus OF square. Now let me write that. I'm sorry, OA square, OC square, OB square. Here I'll write. OA square plus OB square plus OC square. Next, minus OE square minus OD square minus OF square. What is OA square, OB square, OC square minus OF square minus OD square minus OE square? It is AF square. Here I'll write. It is AF square plus BD square plus CE square. This has been written from the statement alpha. See, this much is equal to this is written that. And LHS part, AE square plus CD square plus BF square. Even the second statement is also proved. Let's hope that you have written with me. If not, just go for copy up to here. Dear students, go through this ninth one. It is a ladder 10 meter long reaches a window 8 meter above the ground. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. Obviously, is it not simple? Definitely. We know that wall is perpendicular to the ground. Then ladder is placed against the wall, that is in slant position. So this all situation together form a right triangle. We can go for using Pythagoras theorem. We have already solved this type of problem, right? Then can you guess the answer? Very simple. Length of the ladder is 10 meter. So 10 square. 10 square is how much? 100. Here, and it reaches the window 8 meter above the ground. 8 square. 8 square is how much? It is 64. 100 minus 64? 36. Square of which number is 36? It is 6 meter, right? Answer should be 6 meter. Now let us come to know how is this. Yeah. Please go for copying the statement. After that, draw the figure with me. It's so simple. It forms a right triangle. Or if you want to draw a figure just like illustration, you can also like this. This is a ladder. This is a ladder. And here is the window. And this is the wall. Okay. And go through the statement now. We call the triangle formed as ABC. It is right angle. 10 meter long ladder. It reaches the window 8 meter above the ground. See that AB is 8 meter. You are going to find out BC. See that how simple it is. In triangle ABC, angle B is how much? 90 degree. You can go for using Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, how do you write? AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. What is AC? 10 whole square. AB, it is 8 whole square. BC, it is unknown. 10 square is 100. 8 square, 64. BC square, as it is. Then 100, transfer 64 to the left hand side. Minus 64 equal to BC square. This is 36 equal to BC square. BC equal to square root of 36. It is 6. Therefore, the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall is 6 meter. If you want to write the data, just go for writing. Let the length of ladder, you may take that as AC, which is equal to 10 meter. Then window from the ground, how much? It is BA is 8 meter. Then you are going to find out the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall. Distance of the foot of ladder from the wall, that is BC equal to question mark. Then after that, write calculation. After writing calculation, finally you can write the conclusion as therefore the distance of foot of the ladder from the wall how much is 6 meter. Yeah, please go for copying this. Yes, go through another statement problem. It's 10th one. A guy wire attached to a vertical pole of height 18 meter is 24 meter and has a stake attached to the other end. How far from the base of the pole should the stake be driven so that the wire will be taut? Dear students, often we come across the situation like this, is it not? The statement is so simple. A guy wire attached to a vertical pole of height 18 meter is 24 meter long. Usually you come across this type of situation where we find electric poles. At last there is only one electric pole, no other support is there, then we will go for supporting it by tying the wire. We call that as guy wire. Look here, I draw that one. Observe. Assume that this is the electric pole. Just they are given pole only, but I have taken electric pole. So this is neutral wire, live wire, and is live wire. Observe. And there is no support, hence we go for using the guy wire. I take from here guy wire, and there will be a stake. There will be just like a hook. Then a guy wire attached to a vertical pole of height. What is the height of the pole? It is 80 meter. Is 24 meter. Guy wire, its length is 24 meter. And has a stake attached to the other end. This is the stake. How far from the base of the pole should the stake be driven so that wire will be taut? This is 24 meter. If you go for placing that stake here, so it will not be tight. Hence, just we go for pulling that one. But how far we have to take the stake to make this wire taut? Got it? So here I will write. This is A, this is B, and this is C. You are going to find out BC. Is it not simple? Definitely. How you are going to find out BC? By using Pythagoras theorem. Yes, you may start writing with me. Pausing the video, copy this. After that, start with me. Data. Here they have given height of the pole. Height of the pole is how much? It is AB equal to 18 meter. Next, length of guy wire. Guy wire, this is AC. AC equal to 24 meter. Then, distance of stake, that is hook, from the wall, from the pole, that is BC, equal to question mark. Let's go for calculation. In triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree, right? Use Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, yes, start writing with me. How do you write? It is AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Substitute. AC is 24 whole square, AB is 18 whole square plus BC square. 24 square, how much? 576. 18 square, it is 324 plus BC square. 576. Transfer 324 to the left hand side. Becomes minus 324 equal to BC square. Subtract 6 minus 4, 2, 7 minus 2, 5. Then 5 minus 5 minus 3, it is 2. 252. It's equal to BC square. Then BC equal to square root of 252. Yes, go for finding the square root of this number. Have you found out? Okay. Now observe here. This is, it can be found out in two different ways. One is this method, 252. Okay. It can be divided by 2. 2 1s are, 2s are, 6 are. Then this is 2, 6 are, 3s are. Next this is 3. 3 2s are, 1s are. This is 7 and 3s are. And this can be written as 2 square, 3 square and 7. 2 square, 3 square, 7. It is 2 into 3 into root 7. 2 3s are 6 into root 7. BC equal to 6 into root 7 meter. But if you want to get the exact number, you can go for division method like this. 252. Group them by taking two numbers. Here 1 will remain. Take the perfect square such that which is less than or equal to 2. It is 1. So 1 1s are 1. Then subtract, 1 will remain. Add this 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Then carry down 52, 152. Now you have to take a number here. And the same number should also be taken here such that on multiplying these two, it should be equal to or less than 152. What is that? Let's go for that. Look here, 5s are. 25 5s are 125. But 126, sorry, 26 6 are 6 6 are 36. 3 is the carry. 6 2s are 12, 15, 156. Won't come. 5 and 5 only correct. 25 5s are 125. 27 will remain. Here 5 is there, add 5. It is 10 carry. It is 30. Then put decimal, take 2 zeros. 2700. Here if you put 1, it will be 300. 301 ones are 301. But here we have 2700. Hence you can go for taking either 8s or 9s are. Look here. 308 8s are. 8 8s are 64. 6 is the carry. 6 8 3s are 24. Then or 309 into 9. 9 9s are 81. 8 is the carry. 8 9 3s are 27. 2781. But won't come. We can go for 8s are. So 15.8 or here I'll write or BC is equal to 16.8 meter. Conclusion. Therefore, how far from the base of the pole should the stake be driven? So here I'll write. Therefore, the stake should be driven from the pole is 16.8 meter. Hope that you have understood. Now please go for copying this. Yes, dear students, we have another interesting statement and is also very important in the examination point of view. The reason is this statement, even it is related to the speed. So two concepts are included. Please go through the given statement. It is an aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north at a speed of 1000 km per hour. At the same time, another aeroplane leaves the same airport and flies due west at a speed of 1200 km per hour. So they cover different distances. How far apart will be the two planes after 1.5 hours? So both the planes will fly for 1.5 hours. After 1.5 hours, we are going to find out the distance between these two planes. Got it? Is it not simple? And also important one. Okay, now you go for copying the same statement. After that, you can start drawing the figure with me. Here, this problem is related to the direction, right? Now, here I am drawing the direction. Look here, observe. So, which is this? It is north, east, south. This is east. and it is west. Look here, first aeroplane. An aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north. So this is airport. I call this point as O, which is airport. Next, first plane will move towards north. First plane, and it moves with a speed of 1000 kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. For how long? For 1.5 hours. Next, another aeroplane at the same time, another aeroplane leaves the same airport and flies due west. Look at second aeroplane is here. Second aeroplane. It moves towards west. Next, at a speed of 1200 kilometer per hour. Now we are going to find out how far apart will the two planes after 1.5 hours. Okay, I take these points. Got it? Okay. You are going to find out the distance from north to west or west to north. How do you go far? Again by using Pythagoras theorem, because here these the line joining the directions will intersect each other at right angles. That's one thing. Then, but if you want to find out the distance from north to west, you must know this O to N distance, O to W distance. Do you know the distance? Distance is unknown. Distance covered by each plane is unknown. But how do you find out the distance? When you know speed and time. Yeah, distance formula should be used. D is equal to V into T. See, 1000 into 1.5 and 1200 into 1.5. You can go for calculating that. Followed? Okay. Here, let us write data. Start writing with me. What is O? Here, let me take. Let O be the airport. Airport. Then, what is the speed of first plane? Speed of first plane is 1000 kilometer per hour. Speed of first plane which moves towards north is equal to 1000 kilometer per hour. Then speed of second aeroplane, that is 1200 kilometer per hour. Next, time for which they fly. Time for which both planes fly. How long? 1.5 hours. It is a mixed fraction. You can convert this into improper. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1, 3. It is 3 by 2 hours. Followed? And you are going to find out the distance between two planes. After 1.5 hours. Distance between two planes is question mark. Then let us write the calculation. Let's start writing with me. I'll go for taking the triangle NOW. In triangle NOW, angle NOW is 90 degree. What is the reason? The imaginary lines joining the directions intersect at right angle. Here I'll write imaginary lines joining north, south and east, west intersect at right angles. Now, if it is 90 degree, then the triangle now becomes right angle triangle. Use Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, can we go for using it directly? No. Before that, first we have to find out the distance. Okay. Anyway, we have already written. By Pythagoras theorem, we can write NW square. NW square is equal to NO square plus WO square. Both are unknown. I may call this as statement 1. First, let us find out NO as well as WO. We all know that speed is equal to distance by time. Then distance is equal to speed into time. Here I'll write distance covered by first plane. Distance covered by first plane. It is OL. OL is equal to speed into time. What is its speed? Speed of first plane is 1000 into time. Time is 3 by 2 hours. 1s are 500 into 3. How much it will be? It is 1500 kilometer. Is it not simple? See, here only we can come to know. In 1 hour, it covers a distance of 1000 kilometer. In half hour, 500. 1000 plus 500, 1500 kilometer. Then next, distance covered by second plane. Hope that you are able to judge it. So its speed is, it is OW, that distance, and speed is 1200 into time is 1.5 hour, that is 3 by 2. 1s are 600 into 3, it's equal to 1800 kilometer. Now let us go for using this Pythagoras theorem. NW square is equal to NO square, it is 1500 whole square, plus WO square, it is 1800 whole square. Find out the squares of those. Very simple. Here 4 zeros, 15 square, this is 225, plus here also 4 zeros, 18 square, it is 324. Add them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros, 4 plus 5, 9, 2 plus 2, 4, 3 plus 2, 5. 549. Now, NW square or NW is equal to square root of, it is 54,90,000. Let's go for finding. Hope that you have found out. Observe it. This can be written as 549 into 10,000, right? 10,000 is 100 square. You can take out 100 square from the root. This becomes 100. 100 into root 549. What is root 549? Go for finding that. It is 549. It is divisible by 3. 3 1s are 2 will remain 24. 3 8s are 24. 3 3s are. Again by 3. 3 6 are 1s are. 61 is a prime number. You can keep that as it is. 100 into square root of 3 square into 61. What is 3 square root of 3 square? It is just 3 to root 61 is equal to 300 into root 61 kilometer. Followed? So conclusion. Therefore, the distance between two planes after 1.5 hour. After 1.5 hour their flight is 300 into root 61 kilometer. If you want to find out the value of square root of 61, you can. Okay, please go for copying this. Okay, dear students, hope that you have written. And dear students, in today's class, we have come across many problems in the exercise 6.5. So most of them are important. Please work out all of these without fail today itself. Okay, and tomorrow again we are going to continue the same chapter, and in tomorrow's class there are some important statements which will be appeared in the examination. So such problems are there in the same exercise. Got it? Let's go for that in tomorrow's class. With this, let us stop the class. Thank you very much.